We're hanging out with the Knuckle Buster chapter of the Antique Outboard Club, and we're running a 1969 Evinrude Mate, 1.5 horsepower. This is a super clean original that I picked up, and I forgot to bring it on the boat with me, but it even has the original, I guess it's optional, canvas carrying bag that this fits in. It has a zipper on it with a handle, and it has the Evinrude logo on it. Feel kind of lucky to get all that as one piece. I'm not sure if it was the original owner. I didn't think to ask, but it is clean and it runs well. So let's see how it goes. What a sweetheart. I probably could have showed off and showed it run slower, but that's all right. So if you can see, it's a pretty powerful little 1.5 for its age. This one clearly is a very clean one in good condition, but all I did was give it a regular service. I pulled off the flywheel. Of course the condenser was bad. The coil looked fine. I just left it and I cleaned and set the points, put an impeller in it, and I changed the spark plug to a new original one, the J series, and that's, oh, and I rebuilt the carburetor. But other than that, it's all original. So pretty nice little engine. They had this all the way up till the 80s. I remember working on these. Johnson made completely white ones with a gas tank and recoil all as one assembly on the top, and had a recoil, but it's really the same engine. A lot of these that I've worked on over the years are suffering from rod damage, and even though it says right on here 50-to-1 mix, I do not recommend it, just because I've seen so many of this style engine have a rod knock to them. So I'm running this at 32-to-1 just to be sure. But if you see any of these single-cylinder Evinrude or Johnson engines, they're the same engine. It's 2-stroke, lightweight. It's got to be in the low 20s as far as weight goes. And you can shut off the fuel back here. You can run it dry. The fuel shut off there in the tank. Obviously a vent. You can run the thing dry and it won't leak fuel all over the place. And it's real simple. All right, we have a low-speed mixture, high-speed mixture, and a choke. One thing I learned today, I was feeling like an idiot. I was like, this thing ran perfect. I put it on the boat, go to start it, and just to make sure I choked it really good, I pulled the choke out all the way. You can see there's like a little bit more that you can go. So I held it all the way and it wouldn't start. So I let go of it and started right up. So I'm not going to take this apart again, but I don't know if I was pulling it past fully closed or if I was just choking it too much. I don't know, but if you run across that, that's what happened. But great little engine. Run them if you got it.